It's a helicopter. Listen. Oh, look, you can even see it. That's the first one we saw today. A helicopter. Yay, we saw it, Blake. I saw you saw it too. That's a helicopter. Yes, it's up. Way up. It's about as up as you can go in a helicopter. Maybe you'll ride a helicopter one day. Wouldn't that be fun? Listen. I hear the puppy crying too. They want out here so much. Maybe in your new yard your puppies can come outside and play with you. Wouldn't that be fun? They can come play with you outside. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah, let me